Good day students, how are you all? I hope you all are happy and safe at home. So today we will study mathematics. So open your book and take a pencil. Yes students, open page number 61, numbers up to 100. So today we will study the topic expanded form. How you can expand a number, what is the method of it. So page 61, now see the example. Mala is making garlands with flowers. She uses 10 flowers to make one garland. That means in one garland there are 10 flowers. After making 5 garlands, some flowers are left. Help her count the flowers. Now see, 5 tens and 1 1. As I told you earlier also, we count from the back side. Now if it is 5 tens and 1 ones, so we count from the back. 1 ones, 5 tens. Tens means 10 times. So 5 10 times. So 10 10 10 10 10. So you will divide 50 into 5 times. 10 10 10 10 10. So this will be 50. And one flower is alone. So that is 1. So 51. Understood? This is called the expanded form. This is how you have to do it. 5 tens and 2 ones. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So each garland is of 10 flowers. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. And 2 flowers, 52, 51, 52. So the answer will be 52. Understood? Now see here. 5 tens and 3 ones. So 53. You can write like this also. 50 plus 3. 53. 5 tens and 5 ones. 55. So 50 plus 5. Okay. 5 tens and 7 ones. 57. So 50 plus 7. 5 tens and 9 ones. 59. So 50 plus 9. Next, 5 tens and 4 ones. So 54. 50 plus 4 equals to 54. Understood? It is very easy. Now you can turn the page. Page 62. Now another example we will see. Sanju collects sticks from the jungle. He sells them in the market. You can see in the pic. Sanju is collecting the sticks from the jungle and he is going to sell these sticks in the market. He uses 10 sticks to make one bundle. Again the same procedure. In one bundle there are 10 sticks. Now he has 6 bundles and some loose sticks. Now there are 6 bundles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And some loose sticks 1. So let's count the sticks. So it will be, bundle is of 10 sticks. So 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 plus 1. So 61. This will be the answer, right? Now again bundles 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and 2 loose sticks. So 60 plus 2 is 62. Understood? The same thing you can do it in the rest. You can see it is the same thing. Understand it very clearly. Now next page 63. Another example. Kajal likes collecting colored beads. She makes a garland from 10 beads. Now she is making a garland. See, she has made in her hand using 10 beads. After making 7 garlands, some beads are left. Now she made 7 garlands. And then also some loose beads are left. Help her to count all her beads. So now each garland is of 10 beads. So again 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So 70 plus 1 bead. So it will be 70 plus 1 equals to 71. Understood? It's very easy. Only the thing is you have to understand it, and this is the easiest way to make you understand. Okay. Now see another example. Again 10 beads in one garland. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. So again 70 plus 2 beads. So 2. It is 72. So they are trying to tell you in 60s, in 50s, in 70s that it is the same procedure. It's a tens and this is ones. So these you have to count in tens and the last digit you have to count as ones. Turn the page. Now we will solve some examples on board. 42. So 40, how you will write? You will write 42. It will be 4 tens and 2 ones. So 4 tens plus 2 ones equals to 40 plus 2 is again 42. Understood? This is tens and this is ones. Now see 30. 3 tens plus 0 ones is equals to 30 plus 0. So it is 30. When there is 0 digit, you have to do like this. And when there are 2 digits, you have to do like this. Now 26, another example. 2 tens plus 6 ones is equals to 20 plus 6 is 26. Both the ways you have to write. Got it? Next, 67. 6 tens plus 7 ones is equals to 60 plus 7. So it is 67. Then 75. 7 tens plus 5 ones equals to 70 plus 5. So it is 75. Now see the last one, last example. 8 tens plus 4 ones is equals to 80 plus 4, 84. Yes students, so now this is page number 67. Write down homework. You will do this whole page in homework. It is just the same way as I taught you in the example. Okay? Understand it by seeing the examples and then do it in the same way. Turn the page. These are all revision exercises which you have to do. Okay? Greater and lesser, as I taught you, what comes after, what comes before, what comes between. Page 68. Then this again 10. You have to count and do this exercise. Same tens and ones. You have to count the beads and then do. It's very easy. Okay? Then this again. I have 3 digits 5, 2 and 8. Using these form 2 digit numbers as much as you can. You have to use 3 numbers. 5, 2 and 8. Now with this you can write even 52, 28, 58. ऐसे आपको बनाने हैं numbers. Okay? 82, 25. Okay, use your brains and do this exercise. Thank you.